Before you draw your eyebrow, use your spoolie brush to arrange your hair. Then take your razor to remove all those small hair, this baby hair that will disturb your concealer later. Then apply concealer when you don't have eyeshadow primer, or then use setting powder to set the eyelid. Then use and blend it, then use setting powder to set it, so in order to prevent the oil from that area. So now we go, take your eye pencil or your eye gel liner, depend what you are using, then go exactly the line, especially from beginner. Don't start from beginning, okay? Start from the middle where you see the way I'm drawing it. That's why I zoom this place. So go to the upper lid, so take it straight. When you get to this anchor here, just bring it down. Do it as if you are drawing small letter N. When you are drawing N, so you just the small letter, the way you are bringing it down. Do it at this edge, is you are going to get exactly the arc. Sorry guys. So bring it down, so like this, like so. You see, I bring it down like N. So then you fill it up. So that place will make you to get your anchor. It will give that brow a beautiful look, if that makes sense. So start to the drawing. See the way that's why I zoom it. Just follow exactly what I'm doing. Maybe my explanation, I may not explain it deeply like that, but as you are seeing it, just follow it there. Draw the tail out, you see, then start filling it. Come to the outer corner of your brow, draw it, then just draw the line, complete the line, the one you started from the middle. So complete it as usual, just do it, then you start filling it. Simple. This one is simple. Then take your spoolie brush, blend the beginning so that it will look nice. Just take your spoolie brush, blend the beginning, let everything blend together. Then before you start applying your concealer, make sure blend it first with your spoolie brush before concealer. Then take your concealer, put it back of your palm. The reason why is very easy to take when it's back of your palm, okay? So just take it, take your flat brush, clean it, make sure you press it down, let that mat be flat. Then put the concealer on the tip, just press it. Then start from the lower area, this place, just drag it. When you are applying the concealer, please don't forget to drag it down, so that it will be very easy for you to blend later before you start applying your eyeshadow, okay? If you don't blend it down now, when you want to do it, you can mistakenly clean your eyebrow. So drag it down so that it will be easy for you to blend. Then start following the line. And the process when you are applying your concealer is possible. There is a line, fill it up. So when you want to do this side, see, I can't do my own like this. I always, because that is the way it's comfortable for me. So I'll just start from where the arc is, then drag it out. That is the way I'm doing mine for this left side of my eye. But the right side of my face is okay, but the left side is always like this because it's difficult. But you try the one that will work for you. Is okay like that. So follow it exactly and make sure they look the same. And always when you are also applying it, drag it up so that it will be easy for you to blend. Don't let it be so close to your eyebrow, because if you want to blend it later, you can mistakenly clean your brow. That is the reason why I always say drag it up, drag it down, then blend. Go and take your beauty blender now, blend all those concealer into your skin before you go to your skin prem or your eyeshadow, whatever you want to do next. So this is the finishing video. Please don't forget to share, leave your comment on the comment section, encourage me by sharing so that this video can reach other people. Thank you for watching. So this is the finishing part. I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you. Bye.